In recent years, remote connectivity has become a necessity, and secure connectivity with the ability to access data off-site is critical to keep business moving forward. But complex installation and integration with existing control systems makes implementation difficult, and moving solutions through IT approvals can be challenging. Without a substantial budget for such a major investment, let alone time and money for training, many businesses have found themselves in trouble. But it doesn't have to be that way. Connectivity is easy with existing platforms such as Phoenix Contact's PROFICLOUD, or third-party options such as Google Cloud, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. With no programming necessary, PLCnext Edge Gateway lets you access your data from anywhere. Any data, any cloud.